Hey, Tech Life Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to change the background across all slides in a presentation on Canva. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel as this really helps me out. So as you can see, I've got a presentation open here. So open yours in Canva and we will edit the background together. So to start with, you want to change the view of your presentation. So in the bottom right-hand corner, we're going to click on Grid View. So this will show all the pages on one page, making it a bit easier to see what's going on. Then you're going to go to the first slide that has the background that you want to copy across. You're going to right click and then you're going to click on copy page style. So you can see the style is copied to your clipboard. Then you want to select all the slides. So you can do that quickly by clicking on Control A. So let me get Control A. So you can see all my slides have now been selected. Then I'm going to right click again and I'm going to click on Paste Page Style. And now you can see the background has been copied across to all the slides. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.